Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Yunus Lenin, the owner of this channel, and I'm here today to present to you an assignment I had to do for my embedded system class. So the requirement for the assignment is that we come upon a simple design of what we have previously learned in class, of all the different elements, and combine them into one project where it will increase our daily life safety. So here I've chosen a CO detector. Move on to the board. For this project I've chosen 6 LED pins, numbered as you can see here, with a potentiometer that will function as the CO detector. As we all know, CO can be very toxic and poisonous to the human body. High exposures of it could lead to symptoms such as flu, and flu as dizziness, throw-ups and whatnot. So here we have the LEDs all in order, and I'll be presenting the voltage displayed with the potentiometer, as well as, of course, this beautiful mess right here is the LCD pins all connected through to my ArduinoUno. Alright, so moving on to the functions of this project. As any smoke detector, with the increase of the increase of CO, the resistance will increase in the device, and thus less voltage will flow through. So here we have a reading as 0. This is how the display you have on the LCD display. Moving on, with the presence of some CO, we will notice a change in our voltage reading. I've programmed it to reach proximities of 1. So as soon as it reached 1.3 here, we can see an amber light, a warning sign coming off. CO detected. Increasing presence. 4 plus is the toxicity levels. That means these are warning lights lighting off, along with the amber lights. These detectors can be used in places where the gas is can be in factories where the gas can be used, or in smoking areas, smoking rooms, whereas there's high levels of CO, and maybe adding on such detectors could prevent health hazards and increase our daily life safety. Alright, that'll be all for me. For your information, this is not a video where I'll be telling you to hit like and subscribe, but I'll be mentioning that my grade upon this assignment will be subjected to the number of likes and subscribes I'm getting. So I'm leaving that to you. Thank you.